How to hide your mobile number on WhatsApp. First of all, launch WhatsApp and make sure you sign into your account. Navigate to three dots at top right and look for a setting and tap to open it. Scroll down and tap on privacy option. Now go to status and here you simply need to choose only share with and you can share with particular people as well. You can uncheck mark those people or user to whom you do not want to show your mobile number and hide from them. Or instead, once you have done that, you can check mark this option at bottom right, or you can even tap on my contact only so that your contacts will only be able to see your mobile number, otherwise other won't be able to see. So for now, let's select only share with, and then in this way you can hide your mobile number on WhatsApp. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.